Hi friends, let's learn to make these beautiful Warli Art coasters which are super easy to make and bring a very nice earthy vibe to your home. For this you will need some wood slices. I have ordered 3.5-inch round wood slices from Amazon. I have taken brown and orange as my base colors and white on top and some brushes. The first step is to color the base. Typically, Warli art is done on a mud base, and that is why the background is generally the color of the earth. Here, I have mixed brown with a little bit of orange, but nowadays, new artists use many other colors, so it's a perfectly your choice. After the first coat, I'm also doing some dabbing with a sponge so that I give a little texture to the background. I wanted this to look like the mud base of original Worli folk art. Then I need to draw a circular border. For that, I have to figure out the center of this circle. I'm doing it in a very easy way by cutting around paper and then marking the center. In Worli art, the border is very critical and should not be missed. I'm using a compass to draw a fixed circle, and same I will do in all of them. Then I will take some white paint to create a very simple and very easy border design. You can see I'm just drawing angular lines. These don't need to be accurate because it's a folk art. Early art was traditionally done by the tribals in the Maharashtra region, and I'm glad that this has still been kept alive by some of the artisans. I'm now speeding up the video to quickly finish the border in all the coasters. Same design we will follow. It's a beautiful form of art which celebrates everyday human life and activities. To enhance the border, I am drawing dots. I'm using a dotting tool, but you can also use a ballpoint pen. Now we come to the main design. In Warli art, human figures are always made using two inverted triangles. This is a very simple folk art which uses three basic shapes: triangle, circle, and square. In this image, I'm drawing two women bringing food and water together. In the same way, I have drawn the other three coasters. You will see the first one which we drew together where two women brought food and water. The second one is where two people are dancing and enjoying on drums. And the third one is just two people playing together, holding hands, walking together. The last one I wanted to draw on spirituality. So I'm drawing the Lord Krishna along with his flute and his cow. In Worli art, you can draw any human activities that are happening on a day to day basis. This art form celebrates the daily life of human beings. To draw animals, we use two horizontally inverted triangles like I've drawn here. As you can see, after this is dried, I'm going to do a second coat so that the images stand out on the background. Now I'm doing a little bit of detailing using dots from my dotting tool. You can also use a ballpoint pen dipped in paint and then make these dots. And now my coasters are ready. You can see how beautiful they have turned out. Once they are dry, you can add a coat of varnish. Acrylic paints are generally water resistant, so you can also use it without the varnish. Enjoy your tea. Have a nice day.